Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to create an account with Flinks. Flinks is a financial data platform primarily used by businesses and developers to connect to their users' bank accounts and access financial data. Therefore, the process of creating an account often refers to a business or organization setting up an integration with Flinks, not an individual signing up for a personal consumer app. If you are a business or developer looking to use Flinks services, contact Flinks. The first step is typically to contact the Flinks sales or support team. Flinks requires you to receive client credentials, including a client_ID and client_secret, during an onboarding process. Onboarding: you will go through an onboarding process with Flinks representatives. This is where you discuss your use case, like account funding, income verification, or KYC, and receive the necessary credentials. Choose your integration. You will decide which Flinks solution is best for you, such as integrating their API directly or using a hosted solution like Flinks Express. Setup environments: Flinks provides a sandbox environment for testing and a production environment for live usage. Your representative will set these up for you. Integration: you or your development team will then use the provided API credentials to integrate Flinks Connect into your website or application, allowing your customers to link their bank accounts. If you are an individual user and were prompted to create an account with Flinks when using a third-party app, this usually means linking your bank account. The app you are using is utilizing Flinks technology to securely connect to your existing bank account. You are not creating a new account with Flinks, but rather linking your bank account through Flinks to the app you are using. Flinks Connect: you will be guided through a secure process called Flinks Connect. Select bank: you select your financial institution from a list. Authenticate: you securely log into your bank's online portal using your existing banking credentials within the Flinks Connect window. Consent: you grant permission for Flinks to access and share specific financial data with the third-party application you are using. In summary, for businesses, account creation involves a direct setup process with Flinks team to get API access. For individual consumers, it means securely linking your existing bank account through the Flinks Connect tool embedded in a partner's application. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.